Above every modern battlefield, an advanced and completely silent army vigilantly patrols the vast, unending skies.
There are no traditional wings beating the air, and absolutely no human pilots breathing inside a cockpit.
Yet, every single movement, every potential target, and every hidden secret is seen, recorded, and analyzed. We have officially entered the dominant new age of warfare, defined by advanced stealth drone technology. These machines are autonomous, virtually undetectable by conventional radar, and are rapidly becoming completely unstoppable forces.
They move faster than the human eye can effectively track, designed to evade modern radar like ghosts.
Furthermore, they operate in extreme conditions that would ground even the most advanced manned military aircraft.
The U.S. Air Force calls this Silent Skies, a highly classified program designed to dominate airspace.
The primary objective of this new program is to achieve dominance without ever firing a single shot.
This journey began decades ago with experimental UAVs, including early drones like the RQ-170 Sentinel. These early models were used for high-risk reconnaissance missions, deep within heavily denied enemy airspace. However, the sophisticated new generation of autonomous drones takes this capability to an entirely new level. They feature AI-assisted navigation, making them capable of responding to immediate threats in mere milliseconds.
They utilize adaptive stealth, employing specialized surfaces that can change their radar signatures dynamically.
They also use collaborative swarm tactics, with drones communicating in real time and acting as a single entity.
It is crucial to understand that these advanced aircraft are no longer just simple tools of war.
Instead, they have evolved into sophisticated, independent thinking machines operating on the battlefield. These are machines that can decide when to engage, evade, or retreat, all without direct human input. Deep inside classified hangars, specialized engineers are testing an entire fleet of next-generation autonomous drones.
This includes the Phantom Hawk, a long-range strike drone possessing a nearly invisible radar profile.
Also, the Night Falcon, which is optimized for deep reconnaissance missions inside hostile enemy territory.
Finally, the Spectre Wing, a swarm drone capable of advanced electronic warfare and precision jamming.
Each individual drone functions as a single node in a much larger, interconnected command and control network. They are connected through secure satellite links and sophisticated AI-driven command hubs back at headquarters. During recent top-secret exercises, massive swarms of these drones have successfully performed coordinated mock strikes.
They succeeded in neutralizing complex simulated air defenses in just under 5 minutes.
The Air Force envisions vast fleets of hundreds, operating like digital predators high above global hotspots.
But what truly sets these remarkable drones apart from all predecessors is their onboard artificial intelligence.
Each aircraft runs a proprietary system called Neural Combat AI, which is specifically designed to analyze massive amounts of complex battlefield data, processing all of it in real time.
This system allows the drone to accurately predict enemy movements before they even happen.
It can adjust its flight path, its operational speed, and its stealth signature almost instantly.
In highly realistic test simulations, these AI drones consistently outmaneuvered expert human pilots in dogfight scenarios.
They won not through superior firepower, but through a reaction time measured in just milliseconds.
This signals a future where the human pilot in the cockpit may eventually become entirely irrelevant.
They could be replaced by neural algorithms that never tire, never hesitate, and never question orders.
Achieving true stealth in the modern era isn't just about simple radar absorption material anymore.
Instead, The new strategic focus is all about total, seamless, and complete battlefield adaptability.
This includes advanced surface coatings that can automatically adjust to different environmental conditions. It also means engine emissions are minimized to the point of near total infrared invisibility. Sophisticated noise-reducing flight paths are constantly being calculated by the system in real time.
In combination, these factors allow the stealth drones to fly completely undetected over hostile territory.
They are gathering intelligence, jamming communications, and, if necessary, launching strikes with surgical precision.
This new paradigm of autonomous warfare is simply not war as we have ever known it.
It is a new type of war, conducted in total silence, in the shadows, and far above our heads.
Meanwhile, other major global nations are desperately racing to catch up to this new technology.
China, for example, developed stealth UAVs capable of conducting long-range electronic warfare attacks.
Russia is currently testing its new AI-controlled drones, specifically designed for harsh Arctic operations.
Yet, the United States Air Force is determined to maintain its technological edge over all competitors.
This advantage is maintained through integration, advanced simulation, and a relentless push for constant innovation.
Each one of these drones isn't just an aircraft. It is a significant strategic asset.
A force multiplier that shifts the balance of power without putting human pilots at risk.
As the sun begins to set over the vast Pacific Ocean, a silent fleet soars unseen. Their advanced optical eyes capture every secret, while their powerful circuits decide every single move.
Make no mistake, the technologically advanced battlefield of tomorrow has already arrived here today.
And it appears this new battlefield belongs to the commanders of the silent skies. This is a domain where machines rule, humans guide, and our adversaries simply cannot hide. Imagine for a moment, hundreds of individual drones all acting in perfect concert as one. There is no single human pilot involved, and no single human decision-maker in the loop.
A cloud of autonomous aircraft moves with terrifying precision, detecting incoming threats and evading missiles. They are capable of striking multiple high-value targets, all at the exact same time.
This concept is known as swarm warfare, and it is the next evolution of aerial combat.
Using advanced AI, the drones communicate with each other in real time, instantly sharing sensor data. This allows them to coordinate complex attacks, all without requiring any direct human input. In recent tests, these swarms successfully neutralized dense, simulated air defense networks in just minutes.
This is a remarkable feat that would be impossible for traditional manned aircraft to achieve alone. The Air Force envisions massive swarms that can operate autonomously across entire continents.
They would be dominating contested skies and overwhelming enemies before they can even respond.
These modern stealth drones are not just invisible to radar, they are powerful instruments of disruption.
They are equipped with electromagnetic pulse systems, advanced jamming devices, and sophisticated hacking modules.
With these tools, they can instantly blind an enemy's critical early warning radar installations.
They can also sever and completely disrupt an adversary's vital satellite communications network.
Furthermore, they are designed to confuse and decoy incoming hostile missile targeting systems.
In one classified simulation, a single drone swarm disabled an entire network of simulated enemy missiles.
This objective was achieved entirely through the use of non-kinetic electronic warfare.
The drones succeeded in their mission without launching a single physical munition at the targets.
This ability to win silently, without destruction, is a revolutionary shift in modern air combat.
Human pilots, even the best, have physical reaction limits. In air combat, milliseconds matter.
AI-driven drones, however, react in microseconds, calculating trajectories and detecting threats almost instantly.
They execute complex maneuvers faster than any human pilot could ever hope to accomplish.
During recent aerial combat exercises, AI drones consistently outmaneuvered the most expert human fighter pilots. They were performing complex, evasive actions that are physically impossible for human reflexes to match.
The future of aerial combat is clear. Success won't depend on a pilot's bravery alone.
Instead, victory will depend on who can think and act faster, man or the machine. While the United States pushes forward with this technology, other nations are catching up rapidly.
China is developing stealth drones optimized for electronic attack and persistent high-altitude surveillance.
Russia experiments with AI-controlled kamikaze drones, specialized for Arctic and dense urban warfare.
Israel and several European nations deploy advanced UAVs for counter-terrorism operations and precision strikes.
With every single technological innovation, the global and strategic stakes are increased exponentially. The skies above us are no longer just contested by human pilots in traditional aircraft.
They are becoming autonomous battlefields, where humans may only oversee, but never directly intervene.
Each drone is not just a weapon, it is a node in a massive digital network.
These swarming drones are designed to share all of their collective intelligence in real time.
This allows the entire swarm to be instantly detecting threats from any possible direction. The AI is constantly reassigning targets based on priority and battlefield changes. The swarm is capable of adapting its flight formations instantly to counter new dangers.
In recent simulations, a single human operator controlled dozens of drones, all at the same time.
They conducted multi-layered attacks that would normally require dozens of manned jets in traditional warfare. The modern battlefield is now distributed, incredibly dynamic, and almost entirely digital. As a result of this, the sky itself becomes a living, breathing weapon system.
Despite all of the AI's advantages, direct human oversight remains absolutely critical for operations.
Humans must make the ethical decisions, such as when to strike or when to hold fire.
Humans provide strategic judgment, interpreting complex context that exists far beyond the raw data. And humans provide emergency intervention, overriding the AI in unpredictable scenarios.
The Air Force calls this concept human on the loop, a compromise between efficiency and control. Yet, the line between human control and machine autonomy is shrinking at a rapid pace. The more intelligent drones become, the faster they operate, the less humans influence outcomes.
This is raising profound questions about accountability, strategy, and morality in autonomous warfare.
As dusk falls over military air bases around the world, the skies high above remain silent.
But a massive fleet of autonomous, stealth drones patrols those skies, unseen and virtually unstoppable.
Tomorrow's wars may not be fought by brave human pilots sitting inside of their cockpits,
but by machines thinking, coordinating and striking faster than the human mind can comprehend.
The new era of the silent skies is not coming. It is already here.
And those nations who successfully dominate them may control not just the future of airspace.
They may, in fact, control the final outcome of all future global conflicts.